Hi, I'm Gavin.
Hi, my name is Hazy, and welcome back to a very special episode of TP Sports Nation. What's been going on this week, Gavin?
We beat Millbrook and Canterbury in cross country.
We held a home mountain biking race. Just came off a great win against Kent in football. Matt Yaman had 2 field goals, and Michael Provenza had an interception, as well as some other great plays from people on the field. You know what weekend it is, Gavin?
Parents' weekend, our favorite.
Let's see how the students feel about it around campus.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for everything you do for me. You're always there when I need help, you're always putting in the money, and you're always driving me to sports. I will pay you back one day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for supporting me in all my endeavors.
So we're here with Mr. Doyle. How do you feel about Parents Weekend coming up?
Really excited. Always a fun weekend having parents here and getting to talk about all the wonderful things their kids are doing.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, for introducing me to the game of football.
Mom, Dad, thanks for putting up with me. I know it's rough.
I'm thankful for my parents because all the opportunities they give me. They put me here to school to succeed and give me food and a place to live. So yeah.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for always being there for me in lacrosse and sports, and always making sure that I had the opportunities and practicing with me and getting me to practices and paying for all my gear.
Thank you for helping me chase my dreams.
What am I thankful for?
Yeah, from your parents.
My dad's genetics.
Mom and Dad, thanks for believing in me and my dreams to play college lacrosse. I miss you guys out in Colorado.
Thank you for all the sacrifices you've made for me.
Hey, Mom and Dad, just thanks for believing in me and putting me down here and letting me chase all my dreams and go to play college lacrosse.
Hey, Mom and Dad, thank you for all the sacrifices you guys made for me and believing in me. Really appreciate it.
So, how do you feel about your parents coming this weekend?
I mean, it's gonna be fun. I haven't seen my dad in a while. He's probably gonna be kind of mad my room's dirty. I know this kid's got the dirtiest room on campus, right?
They sent me here.
You happy that they sent you here?
You're happy that your parents abandoned you at boarding school?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm thankful for the sacrifices they've made for me.
That's a good answer.
The time they've given up to get me to where I am today.
Things that you're thankful for from your parents. Overall.
This opportunity to get my grades up. Everything they sacrificed for me when I was playing baseball. My car.
Love it.
They put a roof over my head.
Oh yeah.
They put food on the table. They were always there for me if I needed them. They're just the best. Can't ask for anything better.
Well, on behalf of me and Gavin here at Trinity-Pawling, thank you, parents, for coming out and really just supporting everyone here, and stay classy, San Diego.
See you next week.